Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying our English lessons. Today we are going to continue Nelson Pupil Book 4, Unit number 2, Eric the Viking. We have already learned about punctuation marks. Let's have a recap. A simple sentence ends with a full stop. A question ends with a question mark. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Today we are going to learn about speech marks. Direct speech is when we write the actual words someone has spoken. We use speech marks at the beginning and end of the spoken words. Here you can see two formations of speech marks. We use the formation of double six at the beginning of the direct speech and double nine at the end of the direct speech. Remember, a direct speech can be a sentence, a question, or an exclamation. We have to punctuate it accordingly. Let's see some of the examples. "We will never make it in this storm," shouted a sailor. Here, the direct speech is, "We will never make it in this storm." You can see this is an exclamatory sentence. Firstly, we will put the speech marks in the beginning and at the end. You can see an exclamation mark too. Remember, we will always put the speech marks after exclamation mark or question mark. Now the whole sentence ends at sailor, so in the end we always put a full stop. Next is, "It could be a long time," Eric replied. Here the direct speech is, "It could be a long time." You can see this is a simple sentence. Now we'll use speech marks in the beginning and at the end of the direct speech. Now the whole sentence ends at replied. That is why we'll put a full stop in the end. "Where is father going?" asked his son. Here the direct speech is, "Where is father going?" As you can see, this is a question. So we will put a question mark. But firstly, we will put speech marks in the beginning, now question mark and speech marks at the end. The whole sentence ends at son, so we'll use a full stop in the end. The last one is, "Rocks to port," cried the lookout. Here the direct speech is, "Rocks to port." You can see this is an exclamatory sentence. But firstly, we'll put speech mark in the beginning. Then in the end, we'll put an exclamation mark and speech marks. The whole sentence ends at out. So we'll put a full stop after lookout. I hope you have understood direct speech and use of speech marks. That's all from my side. Thank you.